Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution. So I told you probability distribution, standard probability distribution is two standard probability distributions. That means what? Probability distribution following a particular pattern. Okay. Probability distribution, two types I told. One is binomial distribution, which I explained. So that is X follows binomial distribution with the n comma p as variables. So this becomes these are the two parameters. That means what? If we have n and p in binomial distribution, you can find out total binomial distribution. You can find out. That's one. And then another is Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution. In this Poisson distribution, only you have one variable. X follows Poisson distribution. X follows binomial distribution with n comma p. Here X follows Poisson distribution with the parameter only lambda. Parameter only lambda. Now I am going to explain what is Poisson distribution. So here, as we discussed in binomial distribution, what will be that? Number one. What is it? Number of trials. Number of trials, finite. Number of trials, finite, that we take as n. But in Poisson distribution, okay, we'll write here binomial distribution, and then here we'll write Poisson distribution. Okay, here number of trials. First we'll take number of trials. Number of trials what? Finite here. Here number of trials is infinite. Number of trials infinite, number one. This is number one. And number two is probability. Here also probability results in only two outcomes, right? Okay, here also random experiment results in two mutually exclusive outcomes. Both same. Two mutually exclusive outcomes. Exclusive outcomes. What is that outcome? That outcomes is called success and failure. Success and failure. Here also same thing. Second is same. But here probability of success is very, very small. Two conditions, understand. One is here infinite. If it is finite, you use binomial distribution. If it is infinite, you have to use Poisson distribution. Here probability of success is very, 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 very small. That means what? A rare occurrence of the event. Rare occurrence of event. Understand? Very, very rarely occurring events. This probability is very, very, very small. When the event occurs very rarely, that means what? Probability is very, 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 very less. Very, very less, right? So under these two conditions, that third condition is all the events are independent. Events independent. Here also, all the events here also same thing. And fourth condition is what? Probability of success remains same. Here also probability of success remains same in all the trials. Okay, so only two conditions are there. Here finite it is, it's infinite. Here probability of success is 1 by 2. It can be 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, like that. But here probability of success is very, very small, 0.0000001, like this. Very, very small. When probability is very, very small, if you use binomial distribution, then how much you see? 1 to the power of n you have tried, na? So it is going to be very, very difficult to calculate. Therefore, we are going to use Poisson distribution. So yesterday we discussed Poisson distribution definition. We discussed. Okay, what is that Poisson distribution? What is that Poisson distribution? Okay, what is the Poisson distribution? Let's see. X is said to follow Poisson distribution. Okay. Epudu if P is very, very small. Okay, and P is very, very small. Okay, very, very small, and N is infinite. N is infinitely big. Okay, this one thing you should understand, and it is defined as this is X is a probability distribution. Poisson distribution is defined as how probability defined as, I'm writing here, defined as probability of R number of success equal to NC. Here in this case what you get is lambda power R into uh, e to the power of lambda. First I should write e to the power of lambda I pi. That is our order actually. E to the power of lambda into lambda power of R by R factorial. And R value is what you know. Number of success can be 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to infinity. Why? Because here we are tossing. Here number of trials is infinite. No? Number of trials is infinite. Number of trials is infinite. Number of trials is infinite. Here zero success. Out of infinite trials, you may get 0 trials, one success, 2 success, 3 success, all infinite successes you may get. Okay, here of course you can take a screenshot once. Please take a screenshot. We'll go to next part. Sure. Yeah. Just a minute. Take a screenshot. Yeah, this much you must have done. Yeah. Okay. So here, first thing I'm going to tell you is what is lambda. Lambda is, what I told is, lambda is what you know, probability of success. Probability of success. Understand, this is probability of success. Actually here what, n comma p, na? N is any infinite. Na? Infinite means we need not tell n is 10, 20, 30, we need not tell. P is what we have to tell here, only lambda, that is what is probability of success. Okay, this only probability of success, this or this average number of occurrence of event. That also you can say. But what is actually, this is okay, but actually what is lambda? Lambda is what is NP. NP is lambda. Limit n tends to, when n is tending to infinity, NP is said to be lambda. When n is infinitely very big and p is very, very small and p tends to 0. When p is tending to 0 and n is tending to infinity, then NP, this is what is actually lambda. Understand? Then you may say, sorry, your probability of success only you are telling, that is because n is tending to. Okay. So therefore, that is one, and lambda is also mean. Mean is what in Poisson distribution, mean is lambda. That's why I told you probability of success is lambda, average number of occurrence of event. That means what? Mean of random variable x. Lambda is mean and lambda is also variance. Why it's variance? Variance is what? NPQ. But as p tends to 0, q tends to 1. When p tends to 0, q tends to 1. Therefore, NPQ becomes what? Q is 1 only. This becomes NP. Therefore, mean is also lambda. Variance also is lambda. You may get doubt here. What is this? Probability of success I said is lambda. And here you see Then again, I told here NP as limit n tends to infinity, p tends to 0. NP is called, actually, this is how we define lambda. Okay. Anyway, now we'll see if you do the problems. Then, okay, here question is, sir, when do we use this? Yeah, very clearly I told, when a number of trials is finite, use probability binomial distribution. Number of trials are infinite, use Poisson distribution. Very simple. Okay. If you know all the concepts, then you can understand. Okay, you can clear off all that. Just you can. Sorry. Okay, now we'll see a few examples. See, that's why here I told you that in Poisson distribution, we were discussing that the number n, number of trials, is sufficiently large. Trials are independent of each other, that we know. Probability of success P is very, very small, and each trial results in success, two mutually exclusive outcomes, that is success and failure. That's all same. So that's what we discussed. Okay. So here in exclusively, it is not given as what is lambda and all, but I explained you. Okay. Here we already discussed this. 8 coins are tossed simultaneously. 8 coins are tossed simultaneously. Then find probability of getting at least 6 heads. Okay, at least 6 heads means what? We know this is the form. At least 6 heads means what? Probability of it is all not required. Probability of x is greater than or equal to 6, because at least 6 heads, right? At least 6 heads means what? 6 heads or 7 heads or 8 heads. At least 6 heads means, right? So x equals 6 or 7 or 8. Okay, so 6 heads means what? Out of 8, 8 say 6 into 1 by 2 over to the power of 6 and 1 by 2 over to the power of 2. That is only here it is done. You can do that. And the next, mean and variance of binomial distribution 4, 3 respectively. Fix the distribution and find. So here we discussed already this one. Mean and variance. Mean is what? X follows binomial distribution with n comma p is respectively. Specifically given by np is given as 4. Np. Okay, right? Mean is given as 4. Variance is given as 3. Variance is given as 3. NP, Q, N value, if you keep here, Q value you get. NP value you put here 4. Then Q is 3 by 4. Q is 3 by 4. P is 1 by 4, obviously, because P is 1 minus Q. So therefore, NP equal to 4 now. NP equal to 4, you got P. Therefore, N becomes 16. So now, hence, binomial distribution is, now. X is greater than or equal to 1 means what? 1 minus, at least 1 means what? 1 minus probability of 0. 1 minus probability of 0 means 1 minus q to the power of n. That's given like this. So that is, anyway, you know all that. But it's, anyway, I'm explaining because some people may not know. Next year, the probability that a person chosen at random is left-handed is 0.1. What is the probability that in a group of 10 people, there is one who is left-handed? 10 people. That means 10 trials are there, n equal to 10. And then what is that n equal to 10? And then what is that n equal to 10? And next one is here p is 1 by 10 because 0.1 left-handed. Then what is the question is there is one left-handed. Left-handed. If person is left-handed, that's our success. Success is being left-handed person. So here that the success is p equal to 1 by 10 and q equal to 0.9. So finally we have what we need. There is only one left-handed. P of x we need to find out. Okay, exactly one out of 10 left-handed people. Out of 10, out of x equal 1 success. Out of 10, 1 success. Success power 1, failure power 9. So that's going to be this much. Okay, so this is anyway, you know that clear, I think. Yeah. So here I told you what is lambda. I told you here this is, see here, in a book of 450 pages, there are 400 typographical errors. Understand? Book of 450 pages, there are 400 typographical errors. Assuming that number of errors per page follow Poisson distribution. Okay, in a page, how many letters will be there? Infinitely big number of letters. Letters means many letters, 1,000, 10,000 letters will be there. That's actually very big number. Therefore, here we say this is following Poisson distribution. Find probability that a random sample of 5 pages will contain no typographical error. No typographical error. Zero errors. Zero errors. Error is your success. So what is the probability? Average rate of errors here. Average number of errors per page. So out of, see here, in 450 pages, how many? 400 errors. One page, average number of errors per page, 400 by 450. That's what is given here. Average number of errors per page. I told no, lambda is average occurrence of the event. Okay, average occurrence of the success. Or average means what? Mean. So that is lambda. Lambda equal to 400 by 450, 8 by 9. This is what is success. So your probability that there are R number of errors per page. R number of errors is e to the power of minus lambda, lambda power of R by R factorial. You know that. Here what we need is, we need zero number of errors. No error means zero number of errors is this much. E to the power of. So e to the power of minus lambda, lambda is 0. Lambda power R. Okay, R is what is 8 by 9 by R factorial, like that. The required probability that a random sample of 5 pages will contain no errors. So 5 pages means first page, all independent events. First page, second page, third page, fourth page. So finally you will get like this. Okay, 5 pages means what? First page e to the power of minus 8 by 9, second page e to the power of minus 8 by 9. So 5 pages means what? E to the power of minus 8 by 9 whole to the power of 5. Lambda sign is always positive. E to the power of minus lambda, na? E to the power of minus lambda and lambda power R by R factorial. Lambda is 0, 8 by 9 only, na? 8 by 9, that is written here. Okay, here number of success is what error. Having error is a success. So we want R number of successes, this formula. See here, you need not worry too much. Here only thing you need to understand is the formula is there. R number of success, there is a formula. E to the power of minus lambda by lambda power R. E to the power of minus lambda into lambda power R by R factorial is the formula. There you need to find out lambda and substitute here. Lambda value is 8 by 9. You substitute here 8 by 9. That's it. You need not worry. R value is what? 0. So 0 number of success means this one. R you substitute 0. This is 1. R is, this is also 0 factor means 1. So simply e to the power of minus 8 by 9 only left. E to the power of minus 8. This is for per page. 5 pages means what? Is only for 1 page. You need for 5 pages. Okay. 5 pages means whole to the power of 5. You can do this or you can do this. Lambda for 5 pages. Na? So 1 page. So 1 page is 8 by 9. 5 pages, what will happen? 5 pages is 5 fours are, sorry, 8 by 9 into 5. Na? 5 pages. 40 by 9. 40 by 9. So R success means what? Lambda is now here, this 40 by 9. If you count 5 pages first only. So e to the power of minus lambda and lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. Here what is lambda? E to the power minus 40 by 9. So that's only 40 by 9. Here if you count also e to the power minus 40 by 9. That way also you can. Here 1 page you did and then you made it for 5 pages. So here you see, deficiency of red cells in a blood cells is determined by examining a specimen of blood under a microscope. Suppose a small fixed volume containing an average 20 red cells. This is only average 20 cells. Average 20 cells is there. This average 20 cells, this only we say lambda. For normal persons, using the Poisson distribution, already gave Poisson distribution. Find probability that a specimen of blood taken from a normal person will contain less than 15 red cells. So here lambda is 20, he only gave. Now P of x equal to R denotes the probability of a specimen taken normal person. So right, this is taken from, say this is denote the probability that a specimen taken from normal person will contain R red cells. Okay, that means what? Getting a red cell is success. Then what is the question here? Less than 15. We want less than 15. Probability of X success is less than 15. That is 0 to 14. Okay. So you substitute summation, same. X equal to R, na? E to the power of minus lambda and lambda to the power of R by R factorial. What is R here? R is what is? R value is 0 to 14. Okay, and lambda value, you know, substitute that. In this you substitute lambda is 20 for R by R factor, like this. The Poisson variable satisfies x, p of x equal to 1 equal to p of x equal to. Find p of x equal to 5. You know this one formula. Poisson variable satisfies this. Poisson variable means what? This one formula. Okay, Poisson variable, that's a formula. Okay. This formula, p of x equal to 1 equal p of x equal to 2 is given. X equal to 1 means this one. X equal to means this one. If solve this one, then you will get lambda value you get. Lambda is always positive. I told you that is average probability. You can say average probability. Okay, the 10b is there. 10b exercise you need to do yourself. Okay. So please do this exercise. Yourself you should do. Okay. Okay, 10b. So first question you can do yourself because only based on formula. First question always based on formula. This first question you can do yourself because based on formula. P of x equal to 4. Here, see experiment of tossing a coin n times. If you experiment of tossing a coin n times, n is finite. So when you toss a coin n times, so you have n trials, finite number of trials. Probability is also 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So therefore, binomial distribution. In binomial distribution, number of heads and external number of heads, and here number of heads, 4 heads, 5 heads, 6 heads are in arithmetic progression. That means binomial distribution. Binomial distribution with x follows binomial distribution with n comma p. N is what you know. N we have to find n. P is what we know. So use this arithmetic progression. Okay, 2b equal to a plus. Use this. Use this 2b equal to a plus. This is b. This is a, b, c. If a, b, c are in a, p, 2b equal to a plus. Use this formula and find it. Next, find the minimum number of times a pair coin must be tossed so that probability of getting at least one head is at least 0.8. Already I told you this. Okay, we discussed already. The next. Okay, fifth question also we discussed. That fourth and that already we discussed. That's why I left that out. Fifth question. What is that? 1 in 9 ships is likely to be wrecked. Wrecked అంటే పాడైపోవడం అనమాట. 9 ships లో ఒకటి 9 1 in 9 అంటే 1/9 ప్రాబిలిటీ అనమాట. ఇక్కడ 1/9 ఉంది ప్రాబిలిటీ. ఓకేనా, wrecked అంటే పాడైపోవడం. When they are set on sale, when 6 ships are on sale, అంటే 6 అంటే n equal to 6 అనమాట. Find probability for at least one will arrive safely. Wrecked అంటే పోవడం, arrive safely అంటే దానికి ఆపోజిట్. Exactly 3 will arrive safely. Arriving safely is what is Q. This is Q. Arriving safely is what is P. That's 8/9. అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి ఇట్లా. ఇప్పుడు ఏం కావాలి? అట్లీస్ట్ 1 will arrive. అట్లీస్ట్ 1 అంటే ఆల్రెడీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం. అట్లీస్ట్ 1 అంటే ఏంటి? అట్లీస్ట్ 1 అంటే అట్లీస్ట్ 1 arrive safely. Probability of at least 1 arrive safely. Arriving safely is what is wrecked అంటే ఏంది? Probability of that is failure, that is a 1/9, and probability of success 8/9. When 6 ships means what? N equal to 6. On sale, find probability for at least 1 will arrive safely. At least 1 means what? X is at least 1 means greater than or equal to 1. That means what? 1 minus probability of X is equal to 0. 1 minus probability of X is 0. Binomial distribution very clearly. Okay, very clear. It's binomial theorem. Probability of success. 0 success. NC 0. Success power 0. That means failure power N. What is N here? N is 6. 1 minus Q is what? 1/9 whole power 6. This what is the answer for first question. At least 1 will arrive safely. And the next question is exactly 6 will arrive safely. Exactly 6 will arrive safely. Out of 6, 3 success. Success power 8/9 whole power 3. Failure power also 1/9 whole power. Sorry. ఇది మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. Second question, exactly 3 will arrive safely. Yeah, that's what is this rate. Yeah, 3, we have chosen 3. No? Sixth question, the mean and variance of binomial distribution 2.4, 1.44. Mean and variance తెలుసు. Tanch P and N తెలుసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ తెలుస్తుంది. Next, seventh question. It is given that 10% of the electrical bulbs smashed by the company is defective. A sample of 20 bulbs. So here 10% of the bulbs is manufactured company will be defective. Probability of here more than 2 defective. అంటే defective మనకి సక్సెస్ అన్నమాట. 10% అంటే 10 out of 100, which is nothing but 1/10. And Q is what? 9/10. 10% of the electrical bulbs manufactured by company are defective. Defective is 1/10. Non-defective is 1/10. A sample of 20 bulbs, and 20 n equal to 20. Find probability that more than 2 are defective. Probability that more than 2. More than 2, not more than or equal. More than 2 are defective. More than 2 means what? Total probability 1 minus probability of x is 0 is not there, and x equal to 1 is also not there. X is greater than 2 means what? 1 minus 0 and 1. You know this, 1 minus 0 and 1 means 0. ఓకేనా? చేస్తారు కదా. ఏంటది? 1 minus p of x equals 0 and minus 1 అంటే 1 minus p of x equals 0 అంటే e power 0 into 0 power lambda power r. No? Lambda power r. Lambda, what is lambda? 20 bulbs. Anybody can tell lambda? 2. Acha? I'm sorry, what's that I'm doing? This is not this n is finite, no? This is not a binomial distribution. Sir, this is not Poisson distribution. No? Sorry. Poisson distribution, 1 minus. So out of 20 bulbs, 0 defective right here. More than 2 అంటే 1 minus 0 and 1 అన్నట్టు. 0 defective రా. 0 defective అంటే out of 20 you select 0 for defective అన్నమాట. Defective ఉండాలంటే 1/10 whole to the power of 0 and 9/10 whole to the power of 20 minus 20 C1 1/10 whole to the power of 1 into 9/10 whole to the power of 9. Hope you got it. If you want, you can simplify 1 minus 3. మనకు 9/10 whole to the power of 20 కామన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇందులో 1/10 ఉండదు, 9/10 ఉంటుంది. ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ మనము 10/9 whole to the power of 9 కామన్ చేసాము. ఓకేనా? ఓకే. సో ఇదంతా 1 9/2 హోల్ టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ 19 కామన్ చేయొచ్చు మనం ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా, మీరు సింప్లిఫై చేయండి ఇది. తర్వాత లాగిన్ అవ్వండి మళ్ళీ. తర్వాత ఇక్కడ 20 ఇక్కడ మైనస్ కామన్ చేసాము. 20C1 అంటే 20. ఇక్కడ 19 కామన్ అయింది బాబు. 19 అంటే ఇక్కడ 1/10 ఒకటి ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఇది మీకు ఆన్సర్. ఓకేనా, అది మీరు సింప్లిఫై చేయండి. సింప్లిఫై చేసి బైనామియల్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఇది సింపులే. ఓకేనా, మళ్ళీ లాగిన్ అవ్వండి బాబు. మళ్ళీ లాగిన్ అవ్వండి. మనం కొత్త చాప్టర్ న్యూ చాప్టర్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి.